that's a lovely mountain. Oh, what was that? Oh, there it goes again. Oh dear. Oh, hello, lovely. What's your name?
Daisy.
Daisy. Well, that's a lovely name, Daisy. And who is this?
Speedy, my cheetah.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
Cheetah.
Cheetah?
Whee!
Oh, dearie, are you okay?
I fell off and hurt my arm.
You hurt your arm? Well, you can't ride a cheetah with a hurt arm. We better take you to the doctor's. Oh, dearie, you're looking a bit blue and down in the dumps today.
That's my natural colour.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, it seems you have a broken wrist, so we're going to have to do surgery if you want to ride your cheetah again. Well, you're all done.
I feel great.
Well, you look great.
Thank you.